Well, hello my human army and welcome to another reaction video. Sound Rush Defqon 2024 at the blue stage it's gonna be a new stage for me. I'm usually used to the red stage, the main stage. Alright, some good lighting. Beep beep. Okay. We got a pretty cool intro for Sound Rush. The lighting is incredible. Alright. Oh, those things are lowering. Bro, any stage that like has this whole lowering thing, Rebellion, the Rebellion Supremacy one, their actual stage floated and like moved across the crowd and everything. Like that was cool. Any arena, or is this called an arena? I don't know what it exactly would be called, but a center? Maybe not. I don't know. But I find it cool when things move or in motion. I don't know what it is, but I find that so fascinating. What if one of those things fall, you know? Like, that's some ouchies, some pretty big ouchies. Alright, Sound Rush I'm pretty sure they made the anthem for Defqon 2024, so it makes sense they have this big, huge intro. Ooh. Alright, let's go. I'm ready for some Sound Rush. I know my Sound Rush. Now, I don't listen to them all the time, but I do know some of the tracks for Sound Rush. The crowd hyped up everybody with their phones. Alright. What is it gonna say? Something like, "This is Sound Rush." Oh. Okay, this is much more cooler. It's like a door. It's opening. Alright, where's Shinsuke Nakamura? Where's he at? He's obviously gonna come out. Oh, 26? 25? 24? It's counting down. 14. Wait, what's going on? 15. Wait, what? 12? 18. Okay, what is going on? There's like random numbers that are counting out in different times. This is the longest build up to a set I have ever experienced.
Weekend warriors, welcome.
Sound Rush. Oh. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Alright, so we're kicking off with the anthem of Defqon 1 2024. Da 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 da. Aha. Da 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 da.
Unleash the power of the tribe with
Alright.
Sound Rush.
Sound Rush of the tribe. Da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Interesting that they decided to start off with the anthem. Oh. Oh, I like the kick. I don't know how the original sounds like to know if this is like an edit or not. Oh, okay, I can get behind this. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Dude, I need to go to Defqon 1 one day. Yeah, the only way to do that is if you freaking subscribe. Let me know you like the video. Oh, this melody. Okay. Alright, I dig this. Alright. Piggyback rides. Ooh. Okay. I like this a lot. Ooh. Hey. Oh. This lead is powerful. Oh. Oh, bro, what the? Dude. Is this what a PVC kick is? If anybody's been to Defqon, let me know how far apart the stages are from each other. Cause I wonder if like, at this point, you see how it's so low and soft and it's getting in the mood. I wonder if there's, I don't know, maybe GPF on the stage. Maybe you hear the wah 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 wah. Let me know. Ooh. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna like the vibe that this next track is gonna bring. Why does this sound so familiar? Ooh. The beat, it sounds so familiar. I just can't wrap my head around from where.
You're already known for 4 days long. Something is about to come your way. Stand your ground like only warriors can do.
Okay.
Something is coming for you.
Oh, villain, a little bit freaky right there, huh? Oh, something big's about to happen. Okay, not what I was expecting, but it still hits. Oh, I'll switch up. Oh, surprise indeed. What does that sign say? What does it say?
Your destination.
Okay. I can get behind this? Oh. I'm gonna need to know the name of that one. Oh. Ooh, we're about to enter something groovy right now. Hey. In my house? Is that what it's saying? In my house. Is this held in Amsterdam?
Let's go.
Where is this Defqon 1 held? I don't really know. Oh. Ba ba da 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 da. It sounds familiar, but I just don't know from where. Okay.
4 days long. This is our
Oh. Go on. I do like the vibe that I get from this, you know? It gives me some TNT vibes. Oh my god, bro. I can't catch a break, can't I? Like, what the hell, man? First couple of minutes, it was going alright. Until the very first drop. Oh wait, there's chapters. Oh. This is a game changer. Aha, this was a TNT song. Da 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 da. Hey, you know, I'm gonna have to start adding some Sound Rush into my playlist after this. Then now that's very old school right here. Some very classic old horror style vibes. Sound Rush with daughters, here we go. Bro, I hyped y'all up. What the hell was that? That was such a betrayal. Dude, I wonder how good the feeling must be when you're starting off with no music knowledge, and then you gain knowledge, and you start producing top elite hardstyle tracks and to eventually perform at Defqon, and then they're all just singing along with your song and all that. Like that must be such a good feeling.
That's my people.
I know this one with the tweakers.
A weekend long. Nobody standing still.
Cool.
Just keep on dancing.
Okay, villain, we get it. Shut the hell up, bro. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ba 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 da 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 da. Ay ay ay. What's gonna happen? Oh ho ho ho. Dude. Okay. Now that was good. Oh, I heard this song at Escape, but I just didn't know what it was. Oh, it's Transform. Okay. This song was really good. I was trying to search for it, but I couldn't find it. I hope this is released now. I mean, it's been like almost 2 years since I've heard of it. Dude, this moment, this was just so good. This is just giving me some nostalgia back when I was at Escape. Da 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 da. Ooh. And the red lighting was there as well. This literally feels like a Escape. Okay. Would you transform? Whoa. Da 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 da. This is epic, dude. Da 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 da. Go. Ba da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, this better be on Spotify. Oh. Hey, finally we get fire or fireworks. Ooh, nice little switch up with the kick. Oh my god! I'll tell you what, this is not bad. Bum 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 bum.
The tribe.
Do 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 do.
Let's do it again.
All right.
Warriors of Defqon.
One. Oh. Ho, ho. Beep 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 do do do. So impactful, man.
Come with us. Put those hands
The
together.
villain is pretty freaky, isn't he? He wants us to come with them? Are you sure about that? Ooh. Ooh. Da 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 da. What song is this? Oh, okay. Hard gyrating Sound Rush last night. Oh, bye. I don't think I'm ready for this. One, two, 3. Oh my god. Whoa, what the? Whew. Oh, bro, what? Oh. What? What? Like. Did. Oh, I did not. What just happened? Oh, bro, what? Okay, What? Ooh. Ho, ho, ho. Oh. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh. Okay. That was a good journey. Is there any like symbols or special, I don't know, a special meaning behind the blue stage? Like the design that we just saw, kind of like there? Is that any significance? Okay. Da 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 da. So far away. Okay, so they're gonna play the Headhunters remix and Sound Rush Defqon.1 Zach get it? I'm sorry, what? I need to take it by storm. I know you're ready to take it all. Oh, da 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 I know you're ready to take it all. Da 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 da. Oh, dude, that crowd is chilling, bro. Da 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 da. Here comes Sound Rush with Stardust. The vocals were good, beautiful. The lead was good. Whew. But right, this is a good track, you know?
Thank you so much, Defqon!
Oh. I hear this song everywhere, but I don't know who it's from. Alright, so it's Frontliner, Spacer with Polar Stack, Rainbow in the Sky with Dune featuring Front. What? What is that? The freak is that? An award for creating the anthem? Wait, what? Ooh. Okay. You know what we haven't seen? A collab between Rebellion and Sound Rush. We gotta make that happen. If there has been one, let me know.
Once again, Defqon!
What's about to happen? Okay. So, oh. Oh my god, dude. Bro, that's filthy. Oh my gosh. This better be on Spotify. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. A filth? Any filth? No filth? No filth? No extra filth? Oh. There goes the filth. Go. Ooh. Da 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 da. Oh.
The best party people on this planet, period. For 4 days long, this is where you belong. Defqon.
Waiting for it? There's they did the thing. I'm always wait for the womp womp. That was Sound Rush at Defqon.1 2024. Oh, now this was such an enjoyment. I honestly thought they were gonna end with Interstellar, because that's the only like hardcore song that I ever known from them. But it's cool to know they have another one. That was pretty nice. We got some filths here and there. We got some grooviness here and there. And up next on the list, none other than Cyrix presents Band of Color. We're still going to be in the blue stage. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Be patient. I'll see you guys in the next one. Human Army. Alien.